Level 3, Unit 1, Number Comparison and Ordering to 100. Let's look at Unit 1.1. We will complete using 1 more, 1 less, 10 more, or 10 less. Let's look at example A. We have 1 more than 26 is. If we go 1 higher than 26, then we are going to have 27. But 1 less than 26 means we're going the other direction. So 1 less than 26 would be 25. Let's look at example B. 10 more than 88, which is the number that we have here, is what? Well, we're changing the value of the tens position only. So the 8 will become a 9 to get a 98. 10 less than 88. Again, we're only going to change the value of the tens position, but if we go back 10, then we will have a 78. Unit 1.2. Write the numbers to complete the parts of a hundreds chart. So here we have a little box situation, kind of a flat box situation, and when we go down, we're going to be increasing, as you can see, by 10. So if we have 33, we then increase by 10 to 43. So if we increase 10 more, and you can use your little chart up here to help you, we're going to have 53. So once again, it's the tens that are changing, 3, 4, 5. Going across, we're only going by ones though. So if we have 43 in the middle, what is the number that would come in front of 43? That would be 42. What would the number come after 43? That would be 44. Let's look at Unit 1.3. Write the correct symbols using our less than symbol, our equal to symbol, or our greater than symbol in the circle. Look at example A. 39 compared to 40. Well, 39 is smaller than 40, so we're going to use the less than symbol, and you can see the smaller side of the symbol is to the smaller number. Let's look at example B. 55 compared to 51. 55 is bigger than 51, so we want to use our greater than symbol, which means that the open side of our symbol is facing the 55. Let's look at Unit 1.4. Order the following given numbers from greatest to least. That's the key there. You have to make sure you're going from the largest to the smallest number. So let's look at example A. We have the number 51, 60, and 52. We've started off with 60 because out of the 3 numbers, it is the largest or greatest number. So we're going to cross it out. What number comes under that? Well, if we have 51 or 52, 52 is a bigger number than 51. So 52 would come next, and then 51 would be our smallest number. Let's look at another one. Let's look at B on that one. We have 80, 91, and 89. Out of the 3 there, which one is the biggest or the greatest? Well, 9s are bigger than 8, so 91 for sure is going to be our biggest number. Now we have to ask ourselves, is 89 bigger than 80, or is 80 bigger than 89? Well, 9 is bigger than 0, so therefore 89 is bigger than 80. So 80 will be the smallest of the 3. Let's look at Unit 1.5. Look at the following numbers and answer the given questions. My favorite number lies between 30 and 40. So you've got to look up here at the numbers you've been provided and see which one of those lies between 30 and 40. You just have to scan down and see that 34 does. You say my name when you count by tens. So if I said 10, 20, 30, which they all have zeros at the end, the only number there that has a 0 at the end is 90. I am a number having the same 2 digits, but I am more than 30 but less than 60. Well, the same 2 digits is really important there. If we scan through, we see we have 2 numbers that have the same 2 digits. But which one of those 2 numbers is more than 30 and less than 60? Well, 77 is more than 60. So our answer here would be 55.